out of his way.
I would be more than glad to talk to you if you'd let me usher my client to his car.
Get your hand off me.
Thank you.
Go
ahead, Nate. I'm okay.
Go ahead, Nate. Come on, sir.
I can't see. Breaking news.
I'm very disappointed. I subjectively felt that we had presented compelling evidence to allow someone to consider the variance in the guidelines. Obviously, she considered the seriousness of the offense and its deterrent effect to be more weighty than the fact that what we have is a 61-year-old broken man who's dedicated the majority of his life in a very positive way to citizens of Pittsburgh. So it's always disappointing to have a client go to jail, and it's really, really disappointing to have a client of Nate Harper's quality and character and compassion and public service be sentenced to incarceration. The guidelines were clear. It's not as if we didn't know what the guidelines would be. We knew that was the range. I think we argued vigorously and subjectively, I thought compellingly, for a deviation, a departure, a variance from those guidelines, but such is not the case. I think undeniably he is a man of compassion and caring, and as I indicated, a great husband, a doting father, a supporting grandchild, a community activist, and that he attempted to empower people who weren't empowered. I think everyone in that courtroom, including the judge and prosecutor, would concede that Nate Harper is a real good guy. The question is whether or not this momentary lapse of judgment outweighed that, and to some extent the court believed that the guidelines were correct and imposed the guideline figure as opposed to a variance.
Like I said when I testified, that the chief had touched many people's lives here in the city of Pittsburgh. He almost single-handedly ushered in the relationship between the black community and law enforcement. Truly, you know, he's going to be missed. But like we said, we believe in redemption. People make mistakes in their life, and we feel once Nate gets through this here, he's going to come back stronger and being able to make even a greater contribution to the overall community.